Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is BenjaminQ. If it's your first day out here, please like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the battery on your iPhone X. It's a bit of an old model, but I'll show you the process it takes for you to change your battery. Very easy. This is the battery replacement that I've got. And you will need also these tools, which I'll give you the millimeters of each and every one of them up here right now. And I also show you that you need this to open up. This is easier if you have this one, the suction cups, and then also you need a hair dryer to heat up the things and open it up. So quite easy tools that you need. Now to do this, you're gonna have to remove the two screws that you have underneath your iPhone, but you need to heat it up first. So with the hair dryer, you're gonna heat up the edges of your iPhone. Try not to heat it up way too much, and then after you heat it up, you're gonna unscrew the down of the two screws that you have underneath, which I'll give you the one that you use. I'm using the blue one, which is the one that you use for the two main ones. You don't use it anymore. So after you open those two, you're gonna have to now use the suction cup, suction thingy to open both of them. So what I did, it won't stick underneath a broken glass. So after you use the suction cup and you've hold it together, what I did was to use a tape, right? Put a tape behind it so it will be able to stick on there. If not, it won't stick if this back screen or something is broken. And then I'll use the suction cup to open it wide, right? And I use the little Bluetooth that most of the time if you order battery online, it comes with it. So you see when it makes a little crack on the side, you use the Bluetooth. Make sure you don't push it all the way inside, because when you push it all the way inside, you're gonna like break or tear like the cables inside. So it has like a stop that it stops you from going all the way outside. So after you've done that, you open those up, and then now you're gonna be unscrewing those screws that you can see on there. So they are like, I think there are 5 screws, right? Little ones, and we're gonna use the second two that we have, which is luckily today we're gonna use only 2 sets of screwdrivers, which is we won't be using the red one, which is the star one. So the 2 ones that we're going to be using, we're going to try to make sure these are very small small tools and stuff, so be careful not to lose them. So after you unscrew the screws, very small screws, be sure that to keep it safe. After you screw all of them, you make sure to remove it from the motherboard itself, right? Which are there, and then you make sure you remove the battery itself. So as you can see there, I'm showing you where the battery connector is. You follow the line, and then you also have the 3 connectors that connects to the screen itself. So now that we've unscrewed the screen, we're gonna be able to access the battery. So now to access the battery, it has 3 strips, which I'll show you from the new battery where they are. So one is on top and 3 are underneath it. So first up top, and then 3 are underneath it. So with this battery, I'll show you, see how 3 of them are there, which are the glue that glues it together to the motherboard itself, and then the first one will be on the top. So this is a bit hard to remove, but what you do is you heat it up a little bit and you hold it together with a pins or something that you can hold it, and then that what you do is just roll it, try to roll it. So slowly rolling it, it will remove the battery, and then you'll be able to access underneath it. So what I did, instead of to get it from the other side, which was harder, I used the other side. Now after you remove the battery, it will be clean as a whistle like this. So now all you have to do now is make sure the battery is gonna work. So what I recommend now is for you to test the battery first before you plug it in. So don't do what I'm doing, but it ended up working, right? So what you do is make sure to align it correctly, because after you push it together, it's going to be harder for you to remove it, right? Which I didn't do the first try, so I had to remove it and put it back again to be able to put it right. So after you've done that and you've put it correctly, you're gonna be aligning it up. It's very easy to align it up, and then after you line it up, that's all you need to do. Now all you have to do after you line it up is just to remove the blue sticker off from it, right? And then you're gonna connect everything else. My recommendation is to connect the battery last. Okay, you don't want to like overcharge or give a over electrify your screen. So you connect your screen after first, and then later you can connect the battery, and that will be it. Thank you very much for watching.